Hello my dear student, today I am going to describe complex permanent tissue which is part of plant tissue. We already learned about simple permanent tissue. Today we learn about complex permanent tissue. Complex tissue are made up of more than one type of cells. All these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Complex tissue are made up of more than one type of cell as all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. They are subdivided as xylem and phloem. They are both conducting tissue and constitute a vascular bundle that helps to plant their survival in the terrestrial environment. So we can say xylem and phloem are the part of complex permanent tissue which help in the transportation of material into the plant, that is liquid or solid. Xylem transport the water from the root to the all part of the plant body, and phloem transport the food material that is made by the process of photosynthesis in the leaf with the help of chlorophyll to the all part of the plant body. Xylem, it consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers, and cells have thick walls. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers, and cells have thick walls. Function of xylem aids in conduction of water and mineral from the root of the plant to the all part of plant body, and that water is absorbed from the soil medium. And phloem, it consists of sieve tubes. Sieve means chelony. It consists of sieve tubes and companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Phloem consists of sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Function of phloem transports food material to all parts of the plant. Phloem transport food material to the all parts of the plant from the leaf. And this is the types of complex tissue you can see in phloem: sieve tubes and companion cell present which help in the transportation of material. And xylem also is the vascular bundle which is present in the plant and which transport the water from the root to the all part of body. And tracheids present in the xylem, which is pit-like structure that adopt the water. And vessels means are a pipe-like structure, otherwise a pot. They collect the water. And xylem parenchyma and phloem parenchyma both have a cytoplasm and nucleus which transport the food material and help in the development of the plant body, otherwise tissue of the plant. These are all about of complex permanent tissue. Simple we can say complex permanent tissue generally two type: xylem and phloem. Xylem help in the transportation of water from the root to the all part of the body, and phloem helps in the transportation of food material from the leaf to the all part of the body, and that food material is made by the plant with the help of photosynthesis process. In photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide plus water join together in the presence of light with the help of chlorophyll and convert into glucose, oxygen and energy.